just getting to the shop today, and Lacey is working on the 7X, and that's exciting. That is so exciting because Lacey's in all the videos, but she's never working for me. She's always just like a friend, you know, a teammate. But what you working on?
Cleaning up the motor plate right now.
Clean it up. Making it look pretty. So that's probably chili bowl car, chili bowl prep. This is Justin's chili bowl car. You can see the outdoor car there. Well, this is Justin's spare car. Both these are the spares, huh?
Yeah.
Both of them are spares. So fresh decals. Man, that blue looks good. And then this one's pretty much just been getting dusty upstairs. I think we might have robbed the body off of it to make the other car look good halfway through the year. But all right, so what do I want to do today? Got the body all off of it, and we're just kind of going through. We only run this car a couple times a year, so go through and do maintenance. We gotta pull the motor out of the other car and get motors swapped out. This thing, we kind of like wipe it down, like SOS it, and I have a lot of that to do. Lacey seems to think we need a new seat, but this seat is like 10 pounds, 11 pounds, and it's part of my package with our super lightweight car. Justin just runs his normal seat. Our cars are pretty much the same, our chili bowl cars. Lighter weight frames. I have everything kind of stripped off of this one. We put these little bars in it, and they're hollow. That saved a bunch of weight. And then cut this down. It's kind of scary looking, honestly. But you know, with the chili bowl cars, you just can't crash a chili bowl car because they're super lightweight. Tie everything, super lightweight ladder. This everything's Ty Smith. Check out these little dog bones. He's actually got a lighter ladder than that, but I put this in because I was wanting to adjust holes last year. Took it off. What else is super trick? These little dudes here are pretty slick. I just put these tabs on, and these are my adjusters. No D10 on those, but I don't feel like that's too necessary. Same thing here, just little tabs, and that's kind of slick. You can see no safety bars, no halo, super lightweight seat, little tank, lighter frame, magnesium motor plate on this car. What else? There's some other trickness to it, but we can't give away all our secrets. And it's been a while since I worked on it, to be completely honest. So I don't even remember. Oh, magnesium. You can see they have magnesium stuff, titanium, everything inside the rear ends, probably titanium drive shaft, titanium brake pedals, carbon fiber, everything in our body. This stuff is super thin, super thin. So I got the car all clean. The Chili Bowl car is more of, to me anyways, is more of a show car than anything. You know, it is, you know, in my eyes, our nicest race car, or one of our nicest race cars, because we put so much time into it and we race it so little. But, you know, it's Chili Bowl, so it's a car show also, you know. Chili Bowl prep, that rolls better than, you know, any of our normally race stuff, because you go a little extra on the Chili Bowl stuff. Just a quick, so you can see the cockpit's pretty bare. Seat, safety tubes, everything. I mean, we cut out as many gussets as we could on that, and all the tabs. And here's our national car. You know, the knobs are quite a bit bigger, and there's just more tabs and stuff. You know, we got the halo. That seat is quite a bit heavier, no holes in it, as you can see. This tank is a lot bigger than the Chili Bowl tanks. I think the Chili Bowl tanks are 14 gallons, maybe. These are 19, I believe. Man, I like this new color. What do you guys think of the new colors? Leave a comment below. That's the new one, and then this is kind of the old one. It's like that pastel flat wrap. And then kind of the same thing on my car. This is the old design without the yellow in between, and a lot more blue. And the new design, or this year's design, 2022's design, has a little bit more yellow, but I have a feeling we're just going to go ahead and keep this one the same. The pink's a little brighter. What are we writing down?
Fixing the board, make it pretty again.
Make it pretty.
Yeah.
Make sure you put somewhere on there. Lacey is amazing. Special thanks to Dave and Matt Estep. Joe, I wish you could come to more races. Looks like it's time to go get one of my other cars. My primary car. They washed it in here because it's been cold.
Oh, you're good. The bottom stand moved. I turned over 3 cars because the bottom stand kicked out.
So we moved some cars around, and it looks like I might be done playing with race cars for the moment, because MavTv is here and they are doing a shoot. What'd you say it was called?
Road to the Chili Bowl.
They're doing I don't know, maybe it's a documentary. It's called The Road to the Chili Bowl. It's going to be a show before the Chili Bowl on a couple of the drivers. Hopefully that win the Chili Bowl, because I'm one of the drivers. I think Justin, Tanner Thorson, I'm not too sure, but pretty cool. Better watch out or I'm going to take out your equipment. I feel like TmezTv is going to help this situation out, because it always is a little bit of pressure having the cameras, big cameras.
I'll trade you cameras.
Yeah. Yeah, this one's not very expensive.